Hey, what's up, everyone? This is NuMBERNYC, and this morning I've heard this loud, grinding, squeaking noise on my front passenger rotor. It sounds like it's coming from the rotor. I hope it's not the wheel bearing. Uh, I recently changed the pad, got new rotors. I lubricated the back of the pad, the hinges, and the retainer, and even the slider pins. I pulled back the caliper. I pulled back the piston on the caliper and thought that everything was cool, but seems like that noise just doesn't want to go away. I'm gonna try to replicate that noise while I'm driving so you can hear it. It mainly happens when I reach a little more than 20 miles per hour. So yeah, see if we can try it out.